right. First glance at the attic. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, let me get my little feet situated. But holy crap, on the front, looks like new OSB. It wasn't too long ago somebody fixed that roof. But look at one big ass open room. That is so crazy. Look at that. I'll turn the light. And it's blown in insulation, by the way. But look at that. Wow. Wowie, wow, wow. Look at that shit. One big ass. Oh, you can really see it now. But it's just one big ass open. Yeah, look at that. I mean, that's the whole thing of the house. Look at that board is hanging on that rafter right there is hanging on that built into that chimney. I guess the other side does the same thing. That ain't no big deal. That chimney's got to come down. It's got to come down. Then there's another chimney down there. Yeah, this is where the hip rafters come in place. They go down here. This is that flat section. Yeah, this light really helps. These boards look good. Okay, so the load-bearing wall, this is definitely it. Because that's a, shit. That's a span. That's a span. That's definitely a load-bearing wall right there. And that's that wall for the kitchen. And all that, the whole house is centered on that. So that's that little porch dealio right there. But look at that. One big ass open area and blown in insulation. I might just for the sake of not making a mess. Look at that old ass wiring. I mean, all the wiring's got to come out. Look at that big old wire just sticking up right there. Who knows where that goes? But some trash back there. I wonder what. So boards look good, and that's brand new OSB on both sides. It's not very old. It's not very old. Both sides. So wow, that's the little both sides of that the ends piece is boarded up. Hey, wait a minute. I can see light right there. I can see light in the roof. Yeah, that's where that leaks at. Yeah. Hey, wait a minute. That makes me think. Let's pull this cord out. Okay, that's the only place I see a hole. Right here. Oh, that's where all the way down right there. That's got to be dealt with. But that's no problem. So get the. There we go. Big boards. Get choked up.